Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 113. This is Goldfield and this is part 3, The Art of What Remains. Amid the crumbling ruins and quiet streets of Goldfield lies something unexpected, an explosion of creativity. On the southern edge of town sits the Goldfield Art Car Park Gallery, a surreal outdoor exhibit of welded sculptures, painted vehicles, and reimagined relics. Rusted cars turned into canvases, scrap metal bent into strange creatures, bottle walls catching the desert sun. This is where the old spirit of the town takes a new form. Much of this work is the vision of local artists and drifters who've settled here, transforming junk into statement pieces. Each creation carries a sense of humor and defiance, a reminder that even in the near ghost town, imagination never dies. But the art isn't confined to one spot. All across Goldfield you'll find bric-a-brac installations, painted signs and yard displays made from the leftovers of the boom era. Tools, gears, glass, bones and bottle caps. Every piece tells a story, not of wealth or mining, but of reinvention. Where miners once dug for gold, artists now dig through history. They give discarded fragments a second life, turning decay into beauty. And it fits perfectly here, a town that refuses to fade quietly into the sand. Standing amongst the rusted trucks and whimsical sculptures, you realize the Goldfield is no longer just a relic of the past. It's a canvas, one that keeps evolving. A place where yesterday's industry and today's creativity collide, and where the silence of the desert is broken only by the hum of a paintbrush or the ring of a welder's torch. Goldfield isn't just surviving, it's expressing itself. In the middle of nowhere, art has become its heartbeat.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.